Have you ever considered how something as simple as washing your feet with vinegar could completely change your life, attracting wealth, success, and love? In this video, I will introduce you to an ancient ritual that not only cleanses your feet, but also purifies your soul, revitalizes your energy, and opens the way to prosperity and love. This is more than just a foot bath. It's an opportunity to transform yourself from the inside out. Stay with me to learn how ancient wisdom can guide you towards a brighter future through a practice that could spark profound changes in your life. Before we dive in, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with those you care about. Leave a comment expressing your gratitude for everything you have and your openness to receive the universe's blessings. Let your words resonate far and wide, attracting everything you desire. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Many people today feel stuck and blocked in various areas of life, whether it's finances or love. It often seems like money slips away, success is elusive, and love remains out of reach, leading to frustration, anxiety, and even despair. Deep down, we all seek a way to break free from these unseen chains and attract the good we deserve. This struggle can manifest as sleepless nights, piling bills, and strained relationships, creating a sense of being caught in a never-ending cycle of negativity. Modern life often disconnects us from the powerful, simple practices that our ancestors used to maintain balance and attract prosperity. This is where the ritual of washing your feet with vinegar becomes significant. It might seem improbable that such an ancient and seemingly mundane practice could hold such power, but vinegar has a rich history of beneficial uses. You'll be amazed at the results from this simple ritual using white vinegar, coarse salt, and black peppercorns. Stay tuned as I guide you through the steps to harness the full potential of this technique. First, let's explore the three ingredients. Vinegar has a long-standing reputation, not just as a condiment, but also for its healing and energetic properties. In ancient cultures like Greece and Egypt, it was known as oxycat and used for purification and energizing purposes, symbolizing renewal and spiritual cleansing. Coarse salt, on the other hand, is a powerful purifier, known for its ability to absorb negative energies and protect your energy field. Adding it to the foot washing ritual enhances vinegar's purification power, helping to remove unwanted energies. Black pepper, beyond its culinary use, is valued in many cultures for its protective properties. It's used in rituals to repel negative influences and strengthen spiritual defenses, making it a valuable addition to this foot washing practice. Another key aspect to consider before performing this ritual is gratitude. Being grateful for the things you desire, even before they manifest, is a fundamental practice. Expressing gratitude in advance aligns you with the universe, making it easier to attract what you want. Knowing the benefits of this ritual is also essential. Washing your feet with vinegar can increase your energy and vitality, releasing accumulated negativity and reconnecting you with the earth and your true self. This renewal of energy can positively affect your finances and prosperity, bringing clarity and opening up new opportunities. Additionally, feeling more centered and balanced can improve your personal relationships, leading to more harmonious and loving interactions with others. Regularly practicing this ritual helps you maintain a focus on positive energies and protect yourself from negative influences that could impact your well-being and success. Our feet are vital energy points that connect us to the earth, and releasing tension and negativity through them is a powerful form of purification. This foot washing practice reinforces that connection, helping to balance the body's and mind's energies. The solution to your problems is literally at your feet. Vinegar, with its purifying and energizing qualities, can be the transformative tool you need. Preparing for this ritual is simple, but it requires mindfulness and intention. Here's how to do it. First, gather the ingredients: white vinegar for purification and renewal, coarse salt for spiritual cleansing and protection, and black peppercorns for repelling negative influences and enhancing protection. Combine these ingredients in a clean glass jar. A generous amount of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of coarse salt, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Close the jar and shake well. Let it sit in a dark, quiet place for a week to allow the energies to combine and strengthen. While you can use it sooner, waiting allows the ingredients to build more power. Once your mixture is ready, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. A comfortable environment with a calming ambience, such as aromatic candles, incense, or soothing music, can help elevate the space's vibration. Mix warm water with half of the vinegar, salt, and pepper mixture in a basin. Sit comfortably and place your feet in the water. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and repeat a positive affirmation, such as, "All is well, I am at peace. Thank you, thank you, thank you from my heart, for I feel renewed." Keep your feet immersed for at least 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to cleanse not just your feet, but also your mind and spirit, dissipating negativity and welcoming new energy. This simple yet profound ritual incorporates ancient practices and spiritual beliefs, promoting holistic well-being, enhancing energy and prosperity, and improving relationships. By incorporating this ritual into your routine, you not only care for your body, but also nurture your mind and spirit, creating space for positive energies and new opportunities. Now it's time to take action. Prepare your mixture of vinegar, coarse salt, and black pepper, and start your renewal ritual. Feel the positive changes in your life and share your experiences with others. Keep your heart and mind open to the universe's blessings. Your journey of transformation starts now. Use the power of vinegar to cleanse your feet and, in turn, your life. Remember, gratitude is the key, and consistently practicing this ritual can unlock a future filled with prosperity and love. Let's embark on this journey together. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.